In the busy city of Baroda, Gujarat, there's a place that gives hope and change, ITI Tarsali. This ITI has helped many young people, giving them the skills and knowledge they need to do well in their jobs. One such person is Pooja Jagdish Maske, whose story is a great example of how ITI Tarsali's trade learning can turn lives around. Pooja's story is one of hard times, but also of success. Her story shows the power of never giving up, learning a skill, and the life changing education given by ITI Tarsali. Even when facing big money problems, Pooja's strong will to make her life better led her to ITI Tarsali. Pooja Jagdish Maske's journey towards becoming a senior graphics designer at Baroda Label Manufacturing Company, Gujarat, is an inspiring tale of resilience and determination. It was her elder sister who suggested exploring the field of web designing at the Industrial Training Institute ITI. Intrigued by the prospect of delving into the realm of digital creativity, Pooja enrolled in a web designing course at ITI, embarking on a journey that would shape her future.
10th के बाद फैमिली की फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन कमज़ोर होने के कारण आगे पढ़ाई मुमकिन नहीं थी, इसलिए मेरी बड़ी बहन ने मुझे ITI जाने का सुझाव दिया। वहाँ पे जाकर मुझे कई सारे कोर्स के बारे में पता चला, जैसे कि वेब डिज़ाइन, DTP, ई-कॉमर्स, कोपा, ड्राफ्टमैन सिविल, टर्नर, फिटर, कई सारे कोर्स के बारे में पता चला। फिर मेरा बचपन से ही मुझे मेरा विज़न एकदम क्रिएटिव था, इसलिए मैंने DTP ट्रेड चुना।
During her time at ITI, Pooja immersed herself in learning various aspects of web designing, HTML programming, and more. However, her true passion lay in a graphic designing. Recognizing the inclination, she transitioned into a desktop publishing operator course, where she delved deeper into the intricacies of graphic design, guided by dedicated mentors. Pooja faced numerous challenges along her journey. Coming from a background where English proficiency was limited, she encountered difficulties in comprehending certain concepts. However, her mentors at ITI provided invaluable support, going the extra mile to translate complex concepts and ensure Pooja's understanding. Despite these hurdles, Pooja remained steadfast in her determination to excel, fueled by her passion for design and the unwavering support of her mentors. Pooja's experience at ITI was transformative. Beyond the technical skills she acquired, it was the mentorship and guidance she received that left an indelible mark on her journey. These mentors not only imparted theoretical knowledge but also provided practical insights, nurturing Pooja's talent and fostering her growth as a designer. Participating in various competitions allowed Pooja to showcase her creativity and hone her skills further. These experiences not only boosted her confidence but also affirmed her passion for graphic design. The supportive environment at ITI, coupled with the guidance of her mentors, instilled in Pooja the belief that she could achieve her dreams despite the challenges she faced. The knowledge and skills Pooja acquired at ITI formed the foundation of her successful career as a senior graphics designer.
ITI में मैंने सबसे पहले वेब डिज़ाइन का कोर्स किया, जिसमें मुझे HTML, VBScript, जावास्क्रिप्ट के सॉफ्टवेयर जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर का नॉलेज मिला। वहाँ पे मुझे वनराज सर ने काफ़ी अच्छी शिक्षा दी और मार्गदर्शन दिया। और उसके बाद मैंने DTP का कोर्स किया। वहाँ पे मुझे श्रेयस सर और भाविन सर ने बहुत अच्छी शिक्षा दी और गाइड किया। मेरी ITI की विजिट के दौरान मेरे श्रेयस सर ने मुझे बड़ौदा लेबल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी के इंटरव्यू के लिए कहा और मैं वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के लिए गई तो मेरा सिलेक्शन भी हो गया।
Armed with expertise in graphic design software and techniques, Pooja seamlessly transitioned into the corporate world, where she continues to excel in her role. Her proficiency in programs and her understanding of design principles enable her to create visually stunning graphics that meet the needs of multinational corporations and global clients at Baroda Label Manufacturing Company. Furthermore, the practical experience gained during her time at ITI equipped Pooja with the confidence and competence to navigate the challenges of her profession. Each project she undertakes serves as a testament to the solid foundation laid during her ITI education, reinforcing the value of technical skills and creative thinking in the field of graphic design. Pooja's journey from humble beginnings to a successful career in graphic design serves as an inspiration to aspiring students, especially those considering ITI courses. Reflecting on her own experiences, Pooja offers valuable advice to individuals embarking on similar paths. Firstly, she emphasizes the immense opportunities ITI courses provide, particularly for females. With specific courses tailored to meet the demands of industries like graphic design, ITI offers a gateway to lucrative career paths and opportunities for professional growth. Pooja encourages aspiring students to embrace challenges and persevere in the face of obstacles.
आईटी में कोर्स करने के बाद अच्छी कंपनी में जॉब मिलने के चांसेस बहुत बढ़ जाते हैं। इसलिए मैं आप सभी से कहना चाहूँगी कि आत्मनिर्भर बने और आत्मनिर्भर बनने के लिए आईटी के दरवाजे हमेशा आपके लिए खुले हैं।
She acknowledges the hurdles she encountered along her journey but underscores the importance of remaining determined and focused on one's goal. Moreover, Pooja highlights the significance of seeking mentorship and guidance. Her mentors at ITI played a pivotal role in her success, providing invaluable support and encouragement. She advises students to actively engage with their mentors, leverage their expertise, and seek guidance whenever necessary. Lastly, Pooja underscores the power of self-belief and confidence. Despite initial apprehensions and limitations, she emerged from ITI with newfound confidence, ready to conquer the challenges of the professional world. She urges aspiring students to believe in their abilities, stay committed to their dreams, and never underestimate their potential for success. In conclusion, Pooja's journey exemplifies the transformative impact of education, perseverance, and mentorship. Her story serves as a testament to the boundless opportunities that await those willing to pursue their passion and overcome adversity. As she continues to chart her entrepreneurial journey, Pooja remains committed to empowering others and fostering a culture of creativity and innovation in the field of graphic design.